I was gonna tell you what time.
We're all smoking.
Get off my pillow.
Sure.
You got me fucked up. You know better than that.
Janice Kaufman is remarried and lives with their 2 sons in the same house.
We got a special guest today. We got the gorgeous Rain today. Come on through, girl. Show these folks something. Come on, girl. Goddamn. We reacting to. Hold on. Ooh, we're gonna react to that ass. But we're gonna react to Chingy right there. Tell him. Go on there. Say something.
Hey, I'm Rain. What's up?
What? The fuck? You gotta talk up a little bit more. Hey, Rain.
Hey, my name is Rain.
Yeah, be yourself, girl.
What's up?
I'm gonna cut this part out.
Okay, that's great. Let's keep on this thing.
You like Chingy?
Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna give me a talk to you. I might hit that if I get a talk to you.
No, you're not Chingy.
I can look.
Yes, bottle of Hypnotic.
Ooh.
That's such a cheap ass drink.
You used to drink Hypnotic?
I did used to drink Hypnotic.
If I get a Dickie suit, do you think I can get your number?
No.
I got your number in a Dickie, some Dickie shorts, I think. You used to be doing this in the club.
I'm still doing it in the club. No, not really. I mean, like a little bit. Like they dance. You see her face?
Yeah. You ever had a jersey dress?
No, but I had a jabot dress.
You used to have like the Air Force One boots.
No, never had that.
You had the Melissas.
No, never had that
You
either.
were stuck up.
Ooh. They still not tired.
I can do that. I can do that. You Trina fan?
Trina been acting up lately, but old Trina, yes.
Who your favorite female rapper?
I like Meg.
Megan Thurr?
Meg is cool.
Do your knees work like Megan Thee Stallion knees?
Of course.
No. Of course.
Oh, this is the remix.
Duh. you said, hey, pick that video right there, bro. You had a Van Dutch hat. I know you didn't.
I didn't. Did you?
I don't like name brand clothes.
Okay, heel toe.
Get
You
it.
want to get up and dance. Oh.
I think you got a pair of those shoes in the closet.
Okay, what you got, JD? What's up? What's up?
I need a red Dickie outfit. That shit hard, bro.
Okay, wait, I'm trying to be serious.
Don't be serious.
I don't know if it's like the hat tilt that got me or
It's the wristband.
I
Hey, would you talk to a dude who came up to you with a wristband?
wow.
Oh,
Get it,
that
girl.
dude is juicy.
Ah,
You think you can do that?
no.
Hey, that Hypnotic got them fucked up.
Man.
I'm gonna get me some Hypnotic, man. I gotta get fucked up. Here go the new guest right here. Come on.
I said stay in bed.
Man, the dog good. The dog trying to shake some ass. Look at your dog shaking the ass. Your dog got good. Look at it.
Okay. Yes, faces.
Yes, faces.
Okay, that
Give me the hookah. Let me get the hookah.
y'all know what I mean when I say yes, face. Like, no.
I don't know. What
I know.
Ooh, Chingy, right fucking there. When the last time you... Hold on, he danced on his goddamn mama.
Okay.
What? You got a crush on Chingy?
Yup.
No, for real. Okay, she got a crush on Chingy. So look, tell the people where they can find you at on Instagram.
At DEAR.DAVILA. DEAR.DAVILA.
Look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Look, if you want to finger her, jump in the DM. No, I'm just fucking with you. But yeah. Trademark TV. Man, one video gone that quick.
I told you to stay in bed.
Okay, look, stop. Excuse me. Move. Excuse me.
Don't be rude to her.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
When she moves, you can go past.
She no girl.